Hey guys, welcome to my channel Let Me Excel, where I share various tips and tricks related to Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheet. Many a times we have to convert Excel file to a PDF document in order to share report in a secured way or for various reasons. Gone are those days when you needed a software to export your data to a PDF. In Excel you can do it very easily and quickly. When I say quickly, it doesn't take more than a couple of seconds. Let us dive in. I have a sample report which is top 100 countries affected by COVID-19 as of today, and it has got total cases, total deaths, total recovered and active cases. So in order to convert to a PDF, so we need to press function key 12, that is F12. Press F12. It opens up Save As dialog box. So F12 is shortcut for Save As dialog box. Okay, then quickly press Tab, okay, and then press P. Okay, this selects Save As type as PDF and quickly hit Enter. Okay, our report is exported to a PDF. Now I am in PDF. So I am in PDF now. Okay, this is the first page and this is the second page. If you notice here, there is no header on the second page. If you want header to appear on all the pages, or if you want something like page number to come here on either on the left side or the middle or the right side, so you can modify some setting. Okay, so let us do that. I am going to close this. I am back to Excel. Okay, so let us go to page layout, then click on this small corner. So it is page setup. If I click here, page setup dialog box opens up. Okay, click there. Okay, so go to header and footer, custom footer, and here there are three sections. So I am going to enter the page numbers on the middle one, center section. So for that I'll click on the first one, insert page number. Okay, and out of I am entering just slash, or if needed you can give one space also between slash and the first page number, and even after the slash also I'll give one space. Okay, then the next one is total pages. Okay, so it will print the current page out of total pages. So that's it. So we are done with the page number part. Okay, and I'll go to this last tab and rows to repeat at the top. So I'll click here and I'll click on the first row. Okay, just click on OK to close this dialog box. Now if I press F12 and press Tab and P and enter, just because since we already converted our data to PDF, the file is there, so it is asking whether we should replace it or not. Yes, I'll say yes. Okay, so it will replace and opens up the PDF file. Okay, so page number came 1 out of 2 because there are 2 pages in our document, and now the header came on the second page as well. If you like the video, please consider subscribing it so that whenever I publish new video you get the notification immediately. Thank you for watching.